YouTube content ideas for beginners. So welcome back, guys, to the channel. In this video, we're gonna be talking about YouTube ideas on content strategy for beginners. So if you're just starting out, you don't know what content to put out on YouTube, we're gonna be talking about that exact topic in this video. So I'm gonna be showing you some really cool hacks that you guys can use to gain traffic to your online channel using content ideas that you can get pretty much for free, that I personally use for my channels. So the first place that you can go to find really cool ideas is just Quora. Normally Quora is a really free platform that you can follow certain topics that you've got interest in. So depending on your niche on YouTube or on your YouTube channel, that's the first thing that you want to really take note. So like me, it's all about making money online, passive income, and some other investment strategies, as well as traffic when it comes to online sales. So what I do is normally come here and follow certain topics like make money online, what else, cryptocurrencies, just a lot of topics, Bitcoin. And what you want to do is just come over here and maybe type in something like, so typing something like make money online. So make money online, and I'll do a search on this, and I would wait for the results to pop up and see what people are asking. Then I would filter this by answers. So I would filter the type by answers. Then here just leave it at all topics. Then you can just go through. So you see, like, there's a question there: how do I make money online? What's the easiest way to make money online? How do I make money online from home? Is it possible to make money by doing nothing? I don't know if that's even possible. How do I make money without spending money? You know, all these are ideas that you can use and come up with a video for your YouTube channel. You can search for traffic for, maybe say, affiliate marketing. So you can search for such topics, and the list is endless. So all you have to do is just pick a topic in your very niche, or the subjects that your audience is all about, or your YouTube channel is about, and you can come here and look for answers. What are the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing? What are some profitable niches, ideas for affiliate marketing? Should I go for affiliate marketing or dropshipping? So all these, you can just come over here and answer and keep answering questions, and the list is endless. So it is how you can get an endless content strategy for free using Quora.com. So this was just meant to be a really short, quick video, but hopefully you got the idea. So like I said, the very first thing that you need to go through is first pick a niche or an industry that you're in. Then the second thing is you need to go to Quora.com, sign up for an account, and just take a quick few minutes to really think about some really topics that really interest you, or that you think your audience would profit from. And all you have to do is just come over here and search various topics and make a video about those topics. Now another cool hack is Quora at the same time is a really good platform for you guys to go ahead and just, you know, get some free traffic. So for example, if I go to this question, all I have to do is just write an answer. So as you can see, these people have written answers like this, and they've left some pictures, some images showing exactly what it's about. Then they've got a link that's leading to their own profile, grow your online income. And what this guy does is he basically promotes, like, all these I'm sure are affiliate links, or they are leading to his website to just get some backlinks as well. So if I say I also have, maybe I want to create some backlinks to my website. So maybe say my website is about marketing funnels. So I would search for marketing funnels and I would write an article about it, and I would come and answer this question and it to my website. And that's how you gain free traffic to your website or YouTube video or Facebook or Instagram, depending on where your audience is and where your platform is for sharing your message and your products and services. So feel free to come over here and subscribe to my free YouTube channel if you find value for in everything that I talk about on this channel. Feel free to come over here and subscribe and click the notification button and leave any questions that you have down in the comments of this section. Also, if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing or want to learn how to make money online, make sure you join the One Funnel Away Challenge. There is a link in the description of this video. It's $100 course that teaches you how to get started with making your own products online, selling them, and creating marketing funnels, as well as getting traffic to your offers, making money online in 30 days. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much for watching.